A honeymooning couple had purchased a talking parrot and taken it to their room, where, much to the groom's annoyance, the bird kept up a running commentary on their lovemaking. Finally, the groom threw a large towel over the cage and threatened to give the parrot to the zoo if he didn't quit it. The next morning, packing to return home, the couple couldn't close a large suitcase. The groom said, "Darling, you get on top and I'll try." That didn't work. Figuring they needed more weight on the lid, she said, "Sweetheart, you get on top and I'll try." Still no success. Then he said, "Look, let's both get on top and try." At that point, the parrot yanked away the towel and said, "Zoo or no zoo, this I gotta see." Thank you so much for watching. Click here to watch the next video.